You don't need to spend $1,000 on a smartphone in 2026. Not even close. The mid-range phone market has genuinely caught up on camera quality, performance, and software experience in ways that make flagship pricing hard to justify for most people. I tested 5 of the best so you know exactly where to spend your money. Let's get into it. New to TechBee? We cover the phones and tech that actually matter. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The XIAOMI Poco X8 Pro Max is the value performance leader on this list, and Poco's aggressive specification approach at accessible pricing is on full display here. The high-performance processor handles gaming, multitasking, and AI tasks with confident flagship-adjacent speed that genuinely surprises users expecting mid-range limitations. The large high-refresh AMOLED display delivers vibrant colors and smooth scrolling that matches much pricier alternatives, and the high peak brightness keeps it readable outdoors. The large battery capacity comfortably covers a full day of heavy use, and fast charging minimizes downtime significantly. The camera system benefits from AI processing that lifts image quality beyond what the hardware alone suggests, producing consistently usable results across lighting conditions. MIUI-based software includes AI features including smart suggestions, call screening, and photography enhancement. The build quality is solid with a glass back that looks more premium than the price implies. For budget-conscious buyers who prioritize raw performance and battery life in their mid-range pick, the Poco X8 Pro Max is the most specification-aggressive, most performance-forward phone on this entire list. The Poco X8 Pro Max delivers flagship-adjacent performance at a genuinely honest mid-range price. And the deal in the description makes it even harder to argue against. Check the link below and grab it today. More phone than the price suggests. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro is the mid-range phone that proves originality still exists in smartphone design. And the transparent back with glyph interface lighting system makes it the most visually distinctive phone in this entire lineup. Nothing's glyph interface uses LED strips visible through the transparent back panel to display notifications, charging status, and custom lighting patterns in a genuinely useful, non-gimmicky way that long-term users consistently praise. The hardware delivers solid mid-range performance with a capable Snapdragon processor, clean Nothing OS software that remains one of the fastest, most unbloated Android experiences available, and a camera system that produces natural, well-processed results without heavy-handed AI manipulation. The display is a smooth, well-calibrated AMOLED panel, and battery life comfortably covers a full day of use. Nothing's commitment to multi-year software updates adds genuine longevity value. For buyers who want a phone that stands out visually, runs clean software without bloatware, and delivers reliable everyday performance, the Nothing Phone 4a Pro is the most unique, most software-refined pick on this entire list. The Nothing Phone 4a Pro is the mid-range phone that actually turns heads. And the price in the description makes that originality genuinely accessible. Check the link below and grab it today. Stand out from every other phone in the room. The OnePlus 15R continues OnePlus's strong tradition of delivering premium-feeling performance at mid-range pricing. And in 2026, it remains one of the most complete mid-range packages available. The capable Snapdragon processor handles demanding apps, gaming, and multitasking smoothly, and Oxygen OS delivers one of the cleanest, most responsive Android experiences in the mid-range segment without the excessive bloatware that bogs down competitors. The high-refresh AMOLED display is bright, smooth, and genuinely pleasant for everyday use, and the camera system produces consistently solid results with good dynamic range and natural color processing. OnePlus's signature fast charging is present and genuinely impressive at the mid-range price point, getting from 0 to full in under an hour. Battery capacity comfortably covers extended daily use. The premium build quality with an aluminum frame and glass back feels substantially more expensive than the price tag suggests. For buyers who want a fast, clean Android experience with genuinely premium build quality and rapid charging in a mid-range phone, the OnePlus 15R is the most well-rounded, most polished pick on this entire list. The OnePlus 15R packs premium build and clean software into a mid-range price that Samsung and Apple can't match, and the deal in the description makes that case even stronger. Check the link below and grab it today. Premium feel, honest price. The Google Pixel 10a is the camera-first mid-range phone, and Google's computational photography advantage over hardware-comparable competitors is genuinely significant and immediately apparent. Google's Tensor processor running Google's own image processing delivers the best low-light photography, portrait processing, and video stabilization of any phone on this list, producing results that regularly match or exceed phones costing twice as much in real-world shooting conditions. Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, Best Take, and the full suite of Google AI photography tools come standard, and giving capabilities no other phone in this price range matches. Android updates directly from Google guarantee 5 years of OS and security updates, a substantial long-term value advantage over competitors with delayed update schedules. The display is solid, battery life is adequate for most users, and the clean stock Android experience runs smoothly. For photography enthusiasts, Google ecosystem users, or anyone who wants the most AI-capable, most camera-focused mid-range Android phone with the longest guaranteed update support, the Pixel 10a is the most camera-forward, most future-proof pick on this entire list. The Google Pixel 10a takes better photos than phones twice its price. And the deal in the description makes that camera advantage an easy decision. Check the link below and grab it today. Best camera in the mid-range, full stop. Closing out the list with the Motorola Moto Edge 70 Fusion, and Motorola's comeback in the mid-range segment has been genuinely impressive, producing phones that offer clean software, reliable performance, and excellent battery life at pricing that undercuts most competitors. The AI-enhanced camera system delivers solid results across everyday shooting scenarios, with Motorola's AI features handling portrait processing, low light enhancement, and subject tracking competently. The curved AMOLED display looks premium and feels smooth at the high refresh rate, and the overall hardware specification is competitive with everything else on this list. Motorola's near-stock Android experience is clean and fast with minimal bloatware, and the included AI features cover call screening, smart suggestions, and photography enhancement without overwhelming the interface. Battery life is one of the strongest in the mid-range category, comfortably covering a full day and often reaching into a second day for moderate users. The 5G connectivity future-proofs the device for expanding network coverage. For buyers who want clean Motorola software, excellent battery life, and reliable everyday performance at a genuinely competitive mid-range price, the Moto Edge 70 Fusion is the most battery-focused, most value-efficient pick on this entire list. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion gives you clean software and exceptional battery life at a price that makes the competition nervous. And the deal in the description makes it an easy choice. Check the link below and grab it today. Clean, long-lasting, great value. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right mid-range phone without overspending, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because phone deals move fast. If this helped you find the right mid-range phone, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.